Hi, welcome to Midwest Charm. My name is Sandra and I'm the owner and operator here. We have a small boutique on Main Street in Pine City, Minnesota. You can also find us on all of our social medias, which are linked below, and our website, which is www.midwestcharm.co. We offer upcycled and repurposed furniture, home decor, and amazing gifts. You can find, again, those things all linked below. And today we are finishing up our series on vignettes. I sold a piece yesterday, which made for a great opportunity to put a new piece in and take you guys along as I create a vignette on top of it. And I'm just gonna get it all styled up and super cute. Watch along. And move this piece into place where it's going to be in the store here. This piece was actually finished in Country Chic's Neverland with a dark, with antiquing wax on that. And I'm just going to buff the top back up again because you all know my quality control manager likes to hop onto things. And you're going to see me kind of wander the store a little bit trying to figure out exactly where I'm going to go with this. I did not have anything pre-planned. So you'll see me trying to choose some coordinating colors here, and you'll notice we also have different heights, pops of green for texture, the little nest, and the little white bird. And I'm moving over an antique lantern. I know you can't see it. I'll give you a close-up here at the end. And then I'm also looking around to see what I can find. Again, I didn't have this pre-planned. You will see a dough bowl with some medals and some, I don't remember what else was in there. The hearts, the candlesticks, and something else. But that's going to give us the different textures. So we'll have some wood in there. We'll have some cast iron. We'll have the ceramic. We'll have the nest. So we've got a really good grouping. A plant, some silver, a little silver tray with some clothespins wrapped in yarn. And here is the final look of it. I did switch it up a little bit at the end, but you can see that I do have the varying heights. I have the colors, I've got the textures, I've got a bunch of those things that we talked about planned into here. What do you guys think how I did? What do you think of the final result? What would you have added in that may have been different? Would you have gone with a different color scheme? Do you think I hit a good amount of the tips that I have shared with you? Please respond to those questions below, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.